is Lamin Lodge. Lamin Lodge. Yeah. These are oysters, yeah. Gambia is 11,000 hectares of mangrove, millions of oysters. And the river also is divided into two. The sweet water part and the salt water part.
I looked around only to see struggles to be set free.
and type it on the empty cell. 2, 3 months, 4 months, the same type of this form will come and close. And when they close 5, 6 months, they start producing food inside.
Wow. So these are bigger.
Yeah.
And
So in 6, 7, 8, 9 months, it's 5 times bigger than the ones on the mango.
wow. So reproduce.
Yeah. Each cell, each row contains like 50 oysters.
Okay.
This will contain 5 here, 5, 5, 5. It's like that. So the full line is 10. 10 by 5 is like 50. So the cells also, we don't raise them, we burn them.
You burn them, no?
We burn some, we pound some for food, for chicken feeds.
Okay.
Chicken feed.
Okay.
Because it contains calcium also.
Yes.
So when we burn it, it's turned to powder.
Okay.
So with this powder, with the salt water, you mix it, you have white paint.
Wow.
So if you just want red or blue, you just go to the supermarket, you buy the color, you just mix it. So with the black sand, you mix it, you let it vomit also for 3, 4, 5 days. It's 50% cement, you can plaster your houses. Like 70, 80 years ago, our forefathers, this is what they're using for building. In our local language, we call it lasso.
Okay. You know lasso.
You know lasso, white rose.
Okay.
Before that, by then, there was no cement coming. So our forefathers, this is what they build in their house. You can plaster your house, then
Intelligent.
you build it.
Original people. Wow.
You can make a roof with that.
Everything on this planet.
Roof? No. Only paint and plaster. The roofs we go for the mangroves because Gambia, by then lot of houses are mud house. So with the timber you change it every year. You will change your roof every year, because of termites.
Termites, yeah.
But with the mangrove sticks you change it every 5 years because of the salt on the salt water.
Yes.
And you can see the tree also, the leaves later, it's dropping all the leaves. In the winter, no leaves. It's only have leaves in the summer.
That be the name of the Lord story. That be the name. That be the name of the Lord story. That be the name. Exalted praise to the Most High. All the ears as one tie. All part of all that lets us be. Choices we make are the key. Just relax and learn to trust. To look within for truth a must. Habits, ideas, and thoughts create. Can rearrange, transform, and erase. That be the name of the glory story. That be the name. That be the name of the glory story. That be the name. Thanks be to thee for every part of love that flows through mind and heart. Allows peace, happiness, or strife. We choose how we shape our life. Glory be to those who share love of life and show they care. No fear, doubt, or victim consciousness. This be the path to heavenly bliss. That be the name of the glory story. That be the name. That be the name of the glory story. That be the name. Rejoice, give thanks, and glorify. Joy
Ageela, known as Mama Naasira.
And I'm Dr. Gregory Joe Bledsoe, affectionately known as Dr. Joe. And we are Spicy Tasty Vegan Cuisine.
Yeah.
Now be sure that you like,
Share and subscribe.
Yeah, it helps the algorithm for the work that we do.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.